The HPS, God bless the whole crowd. Please, God, don't let me see no cops. Trunk low, ready to hit the highway. Don't let the eye in the sky fly my way. Oh, we're gonna have big trouble, that's no shit. Can't be growing without no permit, but fuck that. I studied the 205 trip that way. When they come, they can suck my dick. We can't grow without attention.
Hello, my name is Dr. Green Thumb.
Hello, my name is Dr. Green Thumb. Hello, my name is Dr. Green Thumb. Hello, my name is Dr. Green Thumb. I like to tell you just where I'm from. Hello, my name is Dr. Green Thumb. Hello, my name is Dr. Green Thumb. Hello, my name is Dr. Green Thumb. I like to tell you just where I'm from.
Hey, yo, Dr. Green Thumb. Come on back one time. People can't live without the herb, man. If not, they'd be drinking and driving and swerving. But thanks to Dr. Green Thumb, we grow in the backyard or inside with hydro. To the kush plant. Alone, but never ever ever got a warrant for my home. What that funny sound knocking at the door?
Open up, it's the DA.
Sorry, Green Thumb can't talk no more. Please don't follow me into the sun. Hello, my name is Dr. Green Thumb.
Hello, my name is Dr. Green Thumb. Hello, my name is Dr. Green Thumb. Hello, my name is Dr. Green Thumb. I like to tell you just where I'm from.
Out from the lab, no need for rehab. If I can't drive, then call me a cab. That's it. In my closet, the weed is dried out. Like H said, ain't no place to hide out. I don't wanna buy no weed from no cow.